If your Ring Video Doorbell second generation is suddenly showing blinking or spinning white light, not responding to button press, these are the reasons and this is how you can solve this problem. Now, first of all, this happens during firmware update and it goes away after 15 to 20 minutes when the update is complete. If that's not the issue, maybe there's a reason that it accidentally went to setup mode. Now, to solve that problem, first just go ahead and mount your Ring Doorbell from wherever it's installed. Now, after that, just go ahead, open your Ring app to the hamburger menu, to devices. From here, just go ahead, tap on Set up a device. Choose Doorbell, either scan the QR code or press on Can scan the QR code and enter the code manually. Tap on Video Doorbell second generation's name, and in this section, type in the code that's at the back of your Ring Doorbell. Set the address and press continue. Set up a name for the Ring Doorbell, and after that, just follow the prompts and complete the resetup process. If you had any Wi-Fi or internet issues that might be causing this problem, this will solve it as well. Just go ahead, connect it with your Wi-Fi.
Now connected to the Ring app.
And after the resetup process, your Ring Doorbell spinning white light problem will be solved. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.